All right, part 2, we're still talking about y equals mx plus b. M is the slope. B is the y-intercept. Now let's talk about what is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So if I have a coordinate plane, this is my x, this is my y, and I have a line right here where this line crosses, whatever number that is the y-intercept. Okay, where the line crosses the y-axis, that is the y-intercept. Okay. If I have another coordinate plane, and it crosses right there. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. Right here, this number, wherever it crosses, is the y-intercept. Wherever it crosses the y-axis is the y-intercept. Let me do one more example. Okay, wherever it crosses, right there, here's the y-axis, here's the x-axis. Wherever it crosses, whatever number that is the y-intercept. Wherever it crosses.